Welcome, today in front of me HTC Desire 22 Pro, and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap here to the sound section. After that you'll see here the ring and notifications volume panel, and just to mute your device notifications you should hold and swipe to the left side with your finger. Also, if we have the second way how we can do that. If you want to stay with the ringtones and you want to mute only notifications, you should unmute this volume panel, then scroll to default notification sound and switch your currently notification sound to none. Tap here to OK, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.